Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Today we will talk about induction for new employees. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nur Shamsiah, will be your moderator for Indah Travel Company. The first panel is Marina, followed by Hazwani, Atika, Amy, Umi, Ainul, Audra, Farhana, Azra, Shazana. Marina, you will introduce the company first.
Thank you, Samsia, our moderator. Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone. My name is Marina binti Sudarman, as a CEO from Indah Travel Company. So, I hope I will talk about our company first. Our company started 3 years ago, which is mean it was published at 2018. Even we are the new employee, but we still most some level as a few big company in Malaysia. We also still building our company to the best company to become the best company in Malaysia. So did you know what is CEO? CEO means Chief Executive Official, which is the highest ranking executive in the company. Broadly speaking, Chief Executive Official CEO primary responsibility includes making major corporate decisions, managing the overall operation and research of the company, acting as the main point of the communication between the board of directors and corporate operation. So, in many cases, the CEO serves as the public face of the company. So, every problem happen in the company, every employee need to talk to me, and I will talk to the director. So that very problem needs to be included with me, because I'm as the leader need to participate to solve all the problems that happen to the employees. Our company is still finding that new employees, we not only good employees but best employees to make sure the success of the company. So we still need the new employee, we need to find by interview. The interview is the best way to get the new employees. So I hope our company will become the best company in Malaysia, because we're still building it. When the new employee arrive, we will train them to become the best employee of our company. So I hope all the new employee will cooperate slightly with us, so we can work together to lead this company and become a success company. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Marina, for the introduction about the company. That was really great introduction that will make people to know the company better. And now I will continue to Hazwani to the question about what do you think and your opinion how to find a new employees based on the criteria that we need for the company.
Thank you, moderator. Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone. My name is Hazwani binti Anwar. I am from the Human Resources Department and one of the HR staff at Syarikat Indah Travel. So, to talk about the criteria for the new employer, there are some criteria that new employer need to occupy. First, it is important for new employer to know the objective and value for our company, so that they can perform the required tasks properly, which that they will also know what the company want to achieve in order to successful. Next is confidence. Confidence is also needed for new employer, as it's one of the ways to communicate well to perform any task or job. This communication in confidence is important because it can strengthen relationship among employer and indirectly can create a good result in the execution of work. New employer should also be able to work together in teamwork, because it is important for the new employer to always carry out work as planned equally.
Thank you, Hazwani, for sharing your opinion about the criteria that we need from the employees. So we will move to the next panel, which is Atika. Can I know more about the criteria required for new employees in this company?
Thanks to the moderator. My name is Nur Atika binti Muhammad Hamka. I am an Human Resource Executive. Well, today I am going to talk about the criteria for new employee in this company. In industrial company, the criteria for new employee must be leadership qualities. In addition, they must always be ready to accept responsibility in making a decision. The nature of leadership in question is the characteristic of new employees who do not like to give reason when they do not know how to do the job. They will try their best and find various ways to solve the problem presented. Often employees like this show that they are willing to be better employees by volunteering to try the fine strategy to achieve company goal. The next criteria that a new employee needs to have is to have a good integrity. Here we can see that the level of integrity of employee that can be assessed through the extent which is they are honest with themselves, colleagues and employees. With integrity, it can be seen with significant differences in the quality of sales compared to other employees. Another criteria that must be present in a new employee is competency, which is an important quality that must be present in every employer because it is very important aspect to achieve a success. Competence in completing tasks, quickly finding important information and so on. Another criteria is self-motivation. Self-motivation or inner strength, which means someone who has the ability to be patient when facing difficult times at work. It will be clearly visible when an employee remains calm during a job interview session. When in a state of calm, it will allow the employer to make them claim if the organization is faced with an inevitable crisis. Well, that's all the criteria needed for new employees at the industrial company. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Atika, for the criteria required. I hope that the new employees will take note all of the criteria mentioned because we want a better employee for the company. Now, Amy, what the appropriate program that you have been done for the new employees?
Thank you, moderator. First of all, my name is Amelia binti Muhammad Syam. I will release some program to new employees at Indah Travel Company. My position at Indah Travel Company is a coordinator of programs. My first program is effective communication training. Effective communication can often lead to negative words and relationship that can affect your company image, whether it's a face-to-face meeting or an email chat. Every employee should have an understanding of the basic of communication. A communication course will give new employees the skill they need to communicate both verbally and in writing. Opening up communication channels for employees with the organization administration is a good step. This is because employees can get more knowledge of how to communicate in a good way. So, my next program is the time management program. In every organization, time is limited. This can teach employees to know how to use their time effectively without wasting time. So, they can avoid employees stress and poor when doing work. And also, time management training will provide techniques that will help employees to stay organized, focused, and more productive every day. So my last program I will release at Indah Travel Company is a leadership training. New employees will become a leader one day. That's why company need to offer leadership training to everyone they hire, especially new employees. Also, strong leadership has been among the two most important things for companies to employees. By developing your complete employees' leadership skills at each stage, you will provide them with the knowledge they need to take on leadership roles with success in the future. So, these are some of the programs that I will be releasing to new employees. Thank you.
Thank you, Amy, for the appropriate programs such as effective program, time management program, and leadership training program. It was a fantastic program to be done. So next is about the qualification to a new employee should have that will explain by Umi.
Thank you, moderator. Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Umrati Shuhada binti Abdul Nizam. I'm from HR Manager in Indra Travel Company. I will talk about the qualification. The qualification are required of new employees to be accepted in this company is cultural awareness. The travel industry cater to local and international tourists with various cultural background. Cultural awareness will help to ensure that you understand your customer and what their needs are so that you are better able to provide high quality service. Flexibility is also included the qualification required of new employees to be accepted in this company. Your flexibility will help you become a better problem solver and will help you handle the pressure that comes with working in a fast-paced environment. Next, trade is English bilingual is preferred for communication with clients internationally. This is very important as most tourists come from various countries, so English plays an important role in communication in travel industry. Other qualification required of responsiveness. Being internally responsive shows respect and courtesy toward the hiring manager. It is also a key indicator of how they will interact with peers and customers on this position.
Thank you, Umi, for giving an explanation about the qualification for the new employees, because before the company accept the new employee, they should take notes about the qualification first before being a successful company. In advance, for the next panel, what's more about the qualification a new employee should have?
Thank you, moderator. Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone. My name is Ainul Shahira binti Yahaya. I am Chief Executive. We were looking for a travel agent who is passionate about traveling, and you will manage travel requirement made for business or holiday, and you will provide tourism-related services on behalf of our supplier. The goal is to keep our clients satisfied and loyal to our future service. Qualifications are required for a new employee to be accepted in this company because a part of travel agent success is depends on the ability to interact with others. Whether it's done by phone call, email or in-person meeting, effective communication and interpersonal skill will help you to gain and retain with loyal client, which is especially important if you want to work independently and keeping beneficiary company. It is important to develop your soft skill so you can follow up on question or communicate change in timely manner. It will help you more easily to get negotiate with hotel or any similar business to get deal with your client. Other than that, you also must have customer service skill because as a travel agent, you need to communicate and know how to manage the situation when they need help, and professional at meeting clients in order to build their client base.
Thank you, Ainul, for the explanation, and that was a great explanation more about the qualifications. That's all from the side from the company. So now we have 4 new employees that want to work at the Indah Travel Company. The first one will be Audra. So Audra, introduce yourself and explain why you choose Indah Travel Company to be working.
Thank you, moderator. Hi and good morning. My name is Audra. I am a new employee. My answer to that question is while working in this industry for the past 2 years, I have made many connections that I know I will be available for this company. For the example, last year I went to convention with the top 100 companies in Malaysia gave like a convention and networking. I managed to collect a few business cards and even a follow-up lunch with a cerebral contract for this new position. I will continue I will continue to use my networking skill to make more important connection and I also willing to share the ones I currently have. I'm also somebody who I'm also somebody who is able to take initiative and solve problem without being based on the job description. If sound like your company appreciate people who are self-starting and able to independently. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Audra, for the explanation just now. We're glad that we can get the good employees like you who got the works experience before. Okay, we continue to the second new employee. Can you introduce yourself and why did you think you need to work in this company?
Thank you, moderator, for giving me an opportunity to share my experience that may allow me to work in this company. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Farhana binti Zuraidi. Based on my previous work, I have 2 years of experience as an operator in this company, as well as others company who need new employee to adapt the new culture in that company. They need to understand the value when dealing to the superior and also need to behave with the assessment. This introduction program actually can make smoother transaction and also assimilate with the company culture. Or this can ultimately help in terms save higher costs and help employee to feel supported. For me, why I would choose to work in this company is because it is a big company and also the big company can give more contribution on my training. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Farhana, for the clarification. So we got another experienced employees here and we are thankful for you to contribute your training in this company. We continue to the third new employees that you need to introduce yourself and why you choose to work in Indah Travel Company.
Thanks, moderator. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Azra Khairunisa binti Zaidi, and I have 2 years of working experience in tourist industry. I have sought a lot of experience in customer service, and I will use all the experience I have while working. The reason why I choose this company to work is because Indah Travel Company is a bigger company that will give me a lot of benefit. I find this company motivation system interesting and I love the working condition. I'm interested in working in this company because I have an aspiration to open my own business one day, and I'm looking forward to this company growing day by day and provided many opportunity for development. After that, environment and career management on this company made me very inspired to join with the long term in company. Everyone is very excited to work with a company that provides a lot of convenience to employees. What can we say? Being one of employees of Indah Travel is one thing is very much appreciated by very employees. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Azra, and I hope that after you work with this company and gain more experience, you can open your own business, okay? Finally, last but not least, we continue to the last employee. Can you introduce yourself and why you choose this company?
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Shazana binti Rosti. First of all, I would like to thank our moderators for asking questions and getting their advantage by hiring me as a new employee at this company. I am great at sales, marketing and customer service. My biggest strength is part of my people skill that come from my ability to maintain a strict level of confidentiality at my last company. I work as customer service and I got award as the best employee and best salesperson of 2019. Besides, my weakness is continuing to be patient during project group that I want to control, but I trust others with the words because I know I can do it. So if I share a task, I lost my spirit when I suspect someone else who is doing is not right. I have discussed this weakness with my supervisor as an area because I want to improve myself. We have set timelines and goals for me to achieve. So I have enrolled in several team building, workshop and volunteer groups. I learn to let go and trust others. The reason I choose this company is that I have heard that your company is the biggest company in Malaysia. I like to gain experience in your company and improve my skills. skills so that I can work for you. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Shazana, for the great introduction just now. I love your spirit and discipline that you have, so I hope that you will achieve to be a top employee, I guess. Finally, for the conclusion, I hope that Indah Travel Company will be the top company in Malaysia that take care of their employment, employer and employees. Okay, so thank you for all of you. We end this forum and hope to see you again. Bye and Assalamualaikum.